This is History Replay This Day. Did you know that the legendary Beatles guitarist George Harrison once played a pivotal role in the success of the iconic British comedy group Monty Python? Dive with us into the hidden chapters of history where music meets comedy in the most unexpected ways. And if you enjoy unraveling such intriguing tales, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video with fellow history and entertainment buffs. The Beatles, known for their groundbreaking music, and Monty Python, with their distinct brand of humor, both shaped the cultural landscape of the 20th century. Yet many are unaware of the serendipitous intersection of these two entertainment giants. In the early 1970s, Monty Python faced a challenge. After the success of their TV series Monty Python's Flying Circus, they wanted to take their comedic genius to the big screen. But there was a problem. The movie they intended to make, Monty Python's Life of Brian, was deemed controversial, and many studios backed away from financing it. Enter George Harrison. A fan of Monty Python's work, he found out about their dilemma. Harrison, who had always had an eclectic taste and a sense of humor, felt that the world needed to see Life of Brian. He wasn't just willing to support it verbally, he put his money where his mouth was. George, along with his business partner Dennis O'Brien, set up Handmade Films, primarily to fund this project. This wasn't just a small gesture. Harrison mortgaged his home and invested £3 million to ensure the film got made. To him, it was worth it, famously saying, "I wanted to see the movie." The film's release in 1979 was not without its challenges. Many accused it of being blasphemous, leading to bans in several countries and even parts of the UK. However, it was a commercial success and has since been regarded as one of the greatest comedy films of all time. But the Harrison-Monty Python relationship wasn't just a one-off financial deal. The collaboration between them grew. George made cameo appearances in some of Monty Python's productions, like the mockumentary The Rutleys, which was a satirical take on the Beatles' rise to fame. And Eric Idle, a core member of Monty Python, became one of George's close friends, their bond solidifying through shared humor and mutual respect. Handmade Films, under Harrison's guidance, went on to produce several British classics such as Time Bandits and With Nail and Amp I. Many of these films would likely never have seen the light of day without Harrison's financial and emotional support. This story stands as a testament to the power of passion and collaboration. Two seemingly disparate worlds, rock and roll and comedy, collided, and the result was magic. It showcases how George Harrison was more than just a brilliant musician. He was a visionary with an undying love for the arts. So the next time you laugh at a Monty Python sketch or hum along to a George Harrison tune, remember the unseen threads that connect these two worlds. It's a reminder of how history often plays out in the most unexpected and delightful ways. If this tale of unexpected collaboration captivated you, imagine what other hidden stories from history await. Make sure you're subscribed to our channel and hit that like button. And if you think someone you know would appreciate this beautiful intersection of music and comedy, go ahead and share this video. Until next time, keep unraveling the stories that make our past so intriguing. This is History Today, This Day. Thanks for watching. We will see you in the next episode.